Good morning students, welcome back to SR tutorial. So today I'm going to explain you regarding the meaning of journal and what is journalizing, explained with an example. So here you see journal is nothing but the book of prime entry or original entry. This is the basic book or the main book. So with the start of business, when the financial transactions takes place in the business, all these transactions are recorded in the book of journal. So here you see the businessman records all his daily transactions in the book of journal. So that is a journal. And the process of recording the financial transactions in the book of journal is called journalizing. And the process through which the businessman records all the financial transactions of his business in the book of journal is called journalizing. So you have understood, journal is the basic book of accounting. It is a book of prime entry or original entry. And the businessman records all his daily transactions in the book of journal. And this process is known as journalizing. So here you see, I have given a short example also. I have explained journalizing, taking a transaction on 1/1/2020, capital introduced into the business. This is the start of the business of rupees 20,000. So how the journalizing is done? You see, in the books of ... whatever is the name of the businessman, you just write here. On top you will write journal. Date you write particulars column, ledger folio, and then date in rupees and credit in rupees. Debit in rupees, credit in rupees. So capital introduced into the business. So here cash comes into the business. And when cash is introduced into the business, cash account will be debited because there is an increase in asset. Cash is an asset. So cash account is to be debited, and at the same time capital of the business goes up. So capital account is to be credited because when capital increases, it should be credited. Date you put 1/1/2020, the beginning date. Amount is 20,000, being cash introduced into the business. And we know in a business, the businessman and the business are treated as a separate entity. The business is a person by itself. Business and businessman are treated as a separate entity. So here cash comes into the business. So asset increases, so it should be debited, and at the same time capital of the business goes up. So capital increase, it should be credited. So I hope you have understood what is journal and how journalizing is done. So we'll continue with more transactions in my next classes. Thank you for today. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.